This is Mike Lucy, and we're going to do a quick demonstration how to set up SSL for free on your website. A couple quick notes / assumptions. We're going to be using cPanel. So this is a Unix-based cPanel. It's a Unix-based server management tool. If you have a hosting account, chances are you have a cPanel. These same tools are available in server software such as Plesk, and otherwise you'll just need to find the exact settings to change. So let's get started. So what is SSL for free? I'm going to talk as I'm speaking. SSL for free is a 100% free forever 256-bit encryption certificate that you can put on your website. This will allow you to save anywhere from $50 to $250 per year. The one disclaimer or small note I would like to say is do not use this for e-commerce sites. I recommend that you do upgrade to a different kind of certificate, depending on what your host has. So as long as you're not accepting payments, this is a great tool and will more than suffice whatever requirements you have for security. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this on one of our sites right now. Whoops, something went wrong. validation for Brady's Fence and www.bradysfence.com. So we're going to click next. We're going to do manual verification, manually verify domain. Come down here and we're going to see two files. We're going to download both of these files. And then if you read instructions number 2, 3, 4, and 5, we need to create a folder called .wellknown within our root, and then a subfolder called acme-challenge. So I'm going to go back over to my cPanel for this website and go to File Manager. You can use FTP as well. Go to public HTML. You're going to create a new folder called .wellknown. It already exists, so we're going to start over. I know what happened. So we're going to click File Manager. We're going to go to Settings, Show Hidden Files right here. Save it. Go to Public HTML, .wellknown, and we're going to click Add a Folder. I'm going to call it Acme-Challenge. Create new folder. We're going to upload those two files. And if you're wondering how long will this take, it's not going to take long at all. It's already taken longer than it normally does. So we're going to upload one file at a time. Do the first file. Do the second file. No. So that one with F_3 is already loaded. We're going to upload the CILH one. All right, then we're going to come back here and we're going to retry manual verification. Good to go. We're going to click Download SSL Certificate. And now, pay attention, listen up. This is a very important part. So right now, once you click this green button, you're going to have to wait 30 seconds, 60 seconds. The system's doing its thing, generating your certificate for you. Yes. Copy everything in here. All right, so in the certificate field, come back over to your file manager, and then from here you'll want to go to security right here, and you'll want to do SSL/TLS. Click it. And right here, and install and manage SSL for your site. Click Manage SSL Sites. And it's going to be very simple. I'm going to paste that. select your domain. Sorry, right here, select your domain. Click that. Now click autofill by domain. And install. And it says the Ssl certificate was already installed. Ssl website is now active and accessible via HTTPS. So fastest way to test this, go to a new window, type in https://bradysfence.com, and it's waiting, and you'll see it's going to render. We have information. View certificate. So it's valid from October 8th to January 7th. There you go. So the certificate's installed. It's good for 3 months. That's another note here, is that the Ssl for free, you have to update every 3 months. You should get a notification for your domain and or hosting account when this comes up. Otherwise, just be prepared to update it every 3 months. That's it. Hope you found this easy. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do let me know. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.